Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge, just to show you this pre-owned 2015 Dodge Durango Citadel that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the Durango today, just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. Starting with, this pre-owned unit does come equipped with a set of new tires. So a great addition there that you don't have to worry about post-purchase. As we come around towards the back here, you also do have your backup camera as well as your rear park sensor. You can see your sensors there across that back bumper, your hitch, your power lift gate as you can see there. Just check out some of the space in the back here. You can see decent amount of room in the back there to store your gear bags kind of out of the way while on the go. That third row also does fold down as well to give you a little bit of added space when needed. Again, just your power lift gate option. Now this Durango also offers all-wheel drive capabilities, giving you some great handling on even some of those tougher road conditions. So just to check out some of the features inside here. So this Durango does come with your bucket second row seats, so that means you can get up to 6 passengers in the unit, 2 in that second row, 2 in the third row there. You also do have rubber floor mats included in the unit as well, so a great accessory you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Leather seats, great condition across the unit as well, offer plenty of comfort for you and your passengers. In that back as well, you do have your DVD players in behind both the front seats, so a great entertainment feature for your passengers. Heated second row seats equipped as well, some media port hookups just in behind there. Sunroof up top. Just to check out some of the features up front here, so you do have your touchscreen display area, very user-friendly interface, a lot of great features in there. Of course, all your audio media controls. Climate controls also accessible in through there as well. You do have your heated vented front seats, heated steering wheel, your dual climate control, navigation's equipped in there, Bluetooth capabilities, and of course your settings. Just below that, again, you have access to some of your basic audio media controls, climate controls in through there. You do have your adaptive cruise equipped, so you can toggle some of those features on and off. Media port hookups just in your center console area. Push button starts equipped, so you do have your key fob for the unit here. Remote starts included, so again, another great feature you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Steering wheel mounted controls, so you do have access to your cruise control options on there. So again, as I mentioned, you do have your adaptive cruise control. Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities in on the left-hand side, in behind the steering wheel. Access to your audio media controls, so you can easily keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. Now this Durango, as you can see towards the center bottom of the screen there, has 103,212 kilometers currently on it. But if you're looking for a great everyday SUV option, something that's loaded with tons of great features, this Durango could be for you. If you have questions about this Citadel, please feel free to give us a call, 780-826-2999.